Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to open your first Gmail account. So follow my steps. To create your Gmail account, go to Google and on the right hand side of the screen you will see sign in option. So click on it. So once you do that, you will see a screen which says create account. Again click on it and it will ask your first name, last name, username and password to protect your email address. So I will write my first name and my last name and username of your choice. So I want my username as Lata underscore Snehal 2018. So once you write your Gmail username, you have to give the password. So make sure you give a strong password. Yeah, and you have to confirm your password again. And then click on next. It shows that only letters A to Z and numbers 0 to 9 are allowed and the periods are allowed. So underscore is not allowed. So I will write Snehaladda 2018 and then next. So now it has accepted my email address, username. Now that is an optional to give the phone number. So it is your choice. You can give it or you can skip this step. Scroll down, it will ask you a question for the recovery email address. So if you have any other email address, you can give it here. You can give your date of birth, gender, and then next. Oh, they want my date of birth. So that's June, date 24, year 1988. Gender, select your gender, and then next. After that, it will show privacy and terms. So scroll down. Make sure you read all these terms and then click on I agree. There you go. Your email account is ready. You will see on the right hand side your name initial, and if you click on it, it will say my name, last name, and my email address. So that's my Gmail account. Now I want to open it. So go to Gmail Google account, click on it. So it will ask you to control, protect, and secure your account. I want to sign in to my Gmail account. Then I'll click on sign in. And here you will see Google Apps. So all the apps related to the Google will appear here. Gmail, just click on Gmail. So as you click on Gmail, you will see it is loading my Gmail account. It's opening it. And it says, welcome to Gmail, Snehal. Let Gmail do the hard work. So just click next, 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 next. So now your email account is ready to use. So that's your Gmail account screen. You will see inbox. So all the emails you receive, you will get it in your inbox. You can write mail by clicking on compose. So if you want to write to your friend, just type the email address of the person, subject, message, and send. I hope you like the video. Thank you.